Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving you recipes and giving you ideas. I just want to take the time out to say thank you so much, guys. At the moment we're climbing up to 6,000 subscribers. It is brilliant, and you know what happened? I want to take the time out to say thank you so much, guys, for subscribing and leaving your comments below, and also watching my video and telling a friend and a friend tell a friend. Remember, we got the healthy recipe them and the recipe juice them which is coming. This one have apple cider vinegar, cucumber and fresh mint, and you can make this one at home. You can drink this one every day for weight loss, for belly fat, and also detoxing your body. That video is on Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. You can go straight there and watch it. If you want me to put the link in the description box, I can also do that for you guys. Anyway, let's just take the time to say I love you, and you know what I mean, subscribing is very important. Clicking the bell is very important. Follow me, very important. And don't forget to leave your comments in the description box. Please make this one at home. Very good. You got cucumber, you got fresh mint, apple cider vinegar, and also you got some this is some grapefruit, red grapefruit inside of it. And as I said, the video is on my Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. Watch it, guys. Very amazing. A lot of fans request this one, and definitely I did make it. So listen, guys, thank you so much, and don't forget to follow, and also subscribing is very important. 6,000 subscribers, brilliant, and I love you all. I will see you next time. Bye bye.